This is TradeFlow News, bringing you relevant news and insights from around the world. TradeFlow News, enabling trade for SMEs and economies worldwide.
Welcome back to TradeFlow TV. You know the drill. Markets move fast, and if you're not ahead, you're under. We are witnessing a massive U-turn in global sentiment. Let's get you caught up. The 60-second commodities flash. Peace in sight? Reports indicate the US and Iran are nearing a one-page memorandum to end the Gulf War. President Trump has paused Project Freedom operations as both sides work to unblock the Strait of Hormuz within the next 48 hours. Oil's $100 slide. Crude prices are in free fall on the peace news, with Brent dropping as low as $100 per barrel. The massive war premium is evaporating faster than traders can hit the sell button. Gold stages. Comeback. After Monday's lows, gold has rallied 3% to $4,700 an ounce. As the White House cools its rhetoric and the US dollar index slips to 98.12, investors are piling back into the yellow metal. Soy oil's biofuel boom. While energy crashes, ag commodities are flying. Soybean oil futures have surged 54% this year. Driven by aggressive new biofuels blending mandates from the Trump administration for 2027. Saudi revenue crunch. The cost of the blockade is clear. Saudi Arabia just posted a $33.5 billion budget deficit. With oil sales dropping and military spending up 26%, the kingdom is feeling the direct sting of the effective Hormuz closure. Deep dive, the peace pivot, and the great liquidity thaw. We are at the precipice of the most significant shift in trade liquidity since the war began. The news that Project Freedom is on pause in exchange for a diplomatic breakthrough is sending a massive thaw signal through the global financial plumbing. 1. Unlocking the Hormuz exit. The reported deal involves both sides committing to unblock the Strait of Hormuz. For months, billions in working capital have been trapped in idle tankers or diverted around the Cape. A formal reopening means a massive injection of velocity. Shipments that took 40 days could soon take 14. This releases trapped liquidity back into the hands of traders, potentially ending the credit squeeze. 2. The great de-risking of trade finance. As peace rhetoric replaces missile strikes, the astronomical war risk insurance premiums are expected to crater. Banks will finally have the green light to finance trades again. We are looking at a transition from war liquidity back to credit liquidity, where leverage drives volume. 3. The new energy reality, biofuels and beyond. While oil prices are slumping toward $100 on peace hopes, the structural shift in energy has already happened. The 54% rally in soy oil shows that the Hormuz shock forced a permanent pivot toward biofuels. The appetite for biomass-based diesel has fundamentally changed the map. The TradeFlow take. We are moving from a blockade economy to a recovery economy. While the $100 floor on Brent is being tested, the real winners will be ag and tech. Watch the next 48 hours closely. If the Iranian response is yes, the global trade freeze is officially over. Stay liquid, stay sharp. See you on the next one.
That is all for today's news on commodity markets. Stay tuned to TradeFlow News as we continue to provide you with more updates. We also invite you to follow us on Twitter at TradeFlow News, which allows you to watch our program on your mobile device or desktop to receive information from there.